Anyone can build a bike that moves, but you're looking for the one that clicks. School runs, headwinds, whatever the morning throws at you. Behind that smile lies a world of engineering. We are Optima Cycles, proud makers of Lovens, Dutch ID, and Dolly. Our vision is simple. Technology shouldn't just work. It should inspire you to go out and discover. From the drawing board in the Netherlands to our own facility in Taiwan, we keep tight control over the entire process, from the very first sketch to the final inspection. It's the only way we can guarantee our standards. To us, technology is a craft. Monocast frames for ultimate stiffness with a smooth finish. Robotics for absolute precision. But where the machine stops, true craftsmanship takes over. The eye of a master, the hand of an expert. Because the most complex details require a human touch. We ensure every frame leaves the factory rock solid with a premium finish. We don't just assume it's good, we prove it. Intensive simulations, drop and durability tests. We test batch after batch, giving you the confidence that you'll always arrive safely. Ultimately, the journey comes home, to our facilities in the Netherlands, expertly hand-finished, using the best components imaginable. A critical eye, a final check, and a definitive go. But great engineering deserves expert care. That's why we partner with a select group of dealers, professionals who know our bikes inside out, keeping you on the road with total peace of mind. That is how we deliver the riding experience you deserve. Come and experience it for yourself, at our factory or at one of our dealers.